Sanibonani balaleli, mlaleli ekhaya siyakubingelela ngalelo ihora lesikhombisa ngesiZulu. U7 o'clock, whereby we come in and trash out all the things that are bothering us, all the burdens siyazithulula. Yileso sikhathi sengingenile uSenior Pastor Xundu ke lona ke okanye nani Senior Pastor Xundu lona ozohlala nani kule hora leli. Kodwa ke ngoba siyaqala, it's our first show. Kuhle ngesinye isikhathi ngoba I'm sure nasemisebenzini bazokwazi abaku management ukuthi before kuzoqala unyaka niqale nenze reflection and look back at the previous year. Ni check nenzeni into njenge checklist to check ukuthi okay, this is what we planned to achieve. Did we achieve one? Tick if it's achieved. Did we achieve number 2? Cross if it was not achieved. However, like it is over different because unyaka omusha and ngiyazi ukuthi khona abameme abanye abantu bathi uzolalela ngolosine ku Sounds of Azania kune show abathi Engaging Life. Umusha umlaleli osilaleli namhlanje, so sizo recap at the moment. Sizo recap and look at the topics that we tackled last year. If we are fortunate, I think I've got some, I think two or three people who have testimonies show here too. I just hope ukuthi angeke babe nenkinga yogesi njoba nazi ukuthi sine challenge yendaba yogesi. Uma ngabe benga challenge ngogesi, I think bazongena bazosho ukuthi eyiphi itopic eyabasiza. Itopic esathi masikhuluma ngayo yabasiza. Sesikhona ke mlaleli ngiyanibingelela nonke e-studio, ngibingelele kuwe Pastor Mbatha, ngibingelele nakuwe Pastor Khatebe, ngibingelele nakuwe Jupiter iblogger yethu. Ukhona nizobona nje ku TikTok. Silandeleni ku TikTok, sikhona Engaging Life page lethu. Uclick njena uzokwazi ukubona zonke inhlelo zethu. Uma ngabe kuyenzeka ukuthi umisile iThursday eyodwa, izokwenza ke manje ukuthi you need to stream online noma ngabe driver usendleleni, ngoba phela inamba esinayo yile yeWhatsApp akithi. So uzofaka nje idatha lakho bese uyangena ke kuyile ntuza yethu, ungene ku radio station, uclicke ku link noma ustreame ku www.soundsofazania.co.za. Ngiyanibingelela bafundisi bami enyakeni omusha. Usemusha unyaka, siyambonga uNkulunkulu wasiphatha ngomusa wakhe, wasiphatha ngesandla sakhe esemfudumalo, isandla sakhe sinamandla, isandla sakhe singafinyeziwe ukuthi singafinyelela kuloyo naloyo. Sibone nje nathi uDecember sekefika futhi edlula. Hawusabona singena futhi kuJanuary ngomusa kaNkulunkulu naku sesibuyile ngoFebruary. This is our first show. We're therefore going to do a recap, just to go back and look at the topics esadila ngazo. Kunale topic lena eyashamashushu. Ngisho sibambe for 3 to 4 weeks.
Yes.
Anxiety. Yes. Siyasabuka okokuqala ukuthi anxiety yini. Kwaba khona abantu abachazelekayo ngoba bayitshela ukuthi i-anxiety is something else, kanti umuntu makade wathola ukuthi naye kanti imphethe. Yes, umphethe mara bekengekho away. But through this show sabe siba enlighten abantu nokubavula amehlo nokuxwayisa futhi at the same time. Siyasabuka ukuthi iyini anxiety. Yes, sase siyabuka futhi ukuthi uma umuntu efacene ne-anxiety kufuneka ukuthi enzeni kunokuthi afile overwhelmed bese agcine seke ngasazi ukuthi uzokwenza njani. I hope you agree with me on that. Yes. And then if I remember very well, we also tackled anxiety disorder. Ukuthi ikhoswa yini anxiety disorder. Ukuthi it's normally a disorder that does not just go away on its own. Yes. It gets worse over time if not attended to.
Okay.
Yes. And then we even sabahlomisa umlaleli samhlomisa sathi kuye they must try you talk to someone about your feelings, but it should be someone that you trust, someone that is, that what this person, when I tell this person how I feel, this person is gonna, give me proper words, ezizongipholisa. Yes, ngipholisa kulobuhlungu engubo. Saya further saba advisor ukuthi you can also seek for health professional help as well in a counseling if ukuthi this is beyond what we are giving them. And then sasa siyabuka futhi ukuthi what are the triggers of anxiety? What is it that triggers anxiety emntwini? Remember asingena ngithi kula topic siyadlula nje yabona siyadlula nje just ukhalisela nalo obeka ngasilalelanga last year ukuthi abone ukuthi yazi ngiluzile. Kodwa ke lalela mlaleli ekhaya ngicela ukukupha this opportunity to say to you, if ever you feel ukuthi one of the topics that I'm going to mention today, when you missed out, you can actually, ask us nicely, to say, what, please bring this topic back. Ibuye futhi mhlambe sothi masibuye uNkulunkulu uzobe sinikeza a different insight from what we delivered last year. So nokuthi futhi ke Pastor Chris no Pastor Mbatha siyamvulela futhi umlaleli ukuthi you are also allowed ukuthi if let's say there's something that is bothering you but you can't talk to anyone, you can send us a WhatsApp kule number 071 166 8586. Usiphe yona noma ungasipha ezo anonymous thina sizoyithatha sigijime nayo.
So it means a topic ayibona ngathi
into nje mhlambe naye imhleli kabi but uyafisa ukuthi mayiphume out there yabona azozwa ukuthi imivo yabanye abantu bathini bona. So I think they can do that. Yes, ukuze basizakale ngoba remember this show is about that. Yabona this show is about reaching abantu, umuntu ohlele khoneni othi okay ngile esontweni kwashunyayelwa but intshumayelo ayingisizanga. Yabona then la ke kule show ula sesi-equipa khona ke manje. Yabona siya-equipa ke ukuthi okay this is what you can do. 1 2 3 kodwa remember iBible is still our source. Asinayo enye resource esiyuzayo esingakunika yona ngoba sizobe siqamba manga. Sizokunika iresource eyiBible ukuthi go and read here. There's certain stories in the Bible that you can relate to and see ukuthi okay uNkulunkulu wamdlulisa la lo muntu kusho ukuthi nami ngizodlula. Amen. Sahamba ke saqhubeka. Sisese kuJuly njalo. Saqhubeka saphatha itopic ethi God and money.
uNkulunkulu nemali.
Yes, uNkulunkulu nemali. Yes. uNkulunkulu nemali sase siyabuka ipurpose yemali. I'm not going to go to ama verses not unless umlaleli ufuna ukuthi siyiphinde then kulapho ke sizomquotela khona but I know ukuthi sakho to Exodus. Yes, sakho lapha ku Exodus. So sabuka ukuthi purpose of money iyini purpose yemali is to provide a need for the basic needs. Now, if you look at these topics, ziyaxhumana ngoba the minute you have money issues or problems, that's where your anxiety kicks in. Yabona uyaqala uba anxious manje because you don't know how to patch. Yes, upatch 5 umpatcha kanjani ngoba ngeke umpatche ngo1. Yabona so nama gaps manje yabona la ku financial lentuza yakho nje unama gaps ongawazi ukuthi so nalapho sizobachophisa ngoba ukhona wena Pastor Chris ukuthi kwi finance ukhona sizobenzele sobafundisa financial literacy ukuthi yes I think lefuna siqhubeke nayo ngoba this is actually a topic that must be standard,
it has to be standard because in last phila khona manje umhlabeni esiphila kuwo financial instruments maningi
exactly
and nabantu basithola baseyinkinga. So I agree.
Yes saqhubeka ke besisabuka ilento zama purpose yemali ne that imali that is given to people. Angithi kunabantu siyazi ukuthi nabantu nje abanemali nje aba-rich yabona nabantu nje abanenhlanhla yes i-richness but ke purpose yokuthi uNkulunkulu abenze rich is because ufuna ukuthi banakekele laba abanye.
Yeah, I think leyo Pastor Nqundu ibaluleke kakhulu because uma uthatha imali onayo and usiza abantu lapha ku theology sithi stewardship. Uthatha ama resources to help others ukuthi basondele kuJehova.
Yes, yebo.
Siyayithanda ke le.
Yes. And then sase siyabuka futhi ukuthi ipurpose yemali iyini. Imali, it steers direction in your life. Because remember, once you don't have resources, I finance, you are stuck.
Yeah.
There's things that you want to do. So you won't be able to achieve those things. Yes.
Yeah.
If kuguti imali ayiko. And then, yes, I spoke about giving those that are in need. And then it also illustrates God's power and care in provision.
Yes.
This is where the financial literacy comes in now, to teach people now of how to handle money. Yes. Sizoya ake siyophuzana manje ngiyangazi ngulo mama wesigubha ngithi mina. Yeah. Ngubaba wesigubha. Yes. Ake siyophuzana amanzi. Ngoba ngithi asijahanga sithe chu esiXhosa asingxamanga. Ngoba namhlanje siya recap. Ufuna ukuthi umlaleli ekhaya athi noma ehlisa ibhodo ebhize goqoza ibhodo abuye futhi naye ahlale relax futhi naye azozwa yonke le recap ukuthi I did not tune in ukusho ukuthi hey I missed a lot. Zange ngimamele engaging life, I missed a lot.
Great stuff.
Simakethi na umxhafa uthotha ungena ngenzela ukuthi mase sihambe ibanga umlaleli we-engaging life ku-Sons of Azania kanti abakhohlwe bami
Abafundi ngani?
bangikhohliwe yini
Abafundi ngani?
Ifundeka ngale ndlela. Evening my leaders, it's a pleasure to listen to your show. Keep on transforming us in 2026. It's Prophetess Helen and Spread View. Siyabonga Prophetess, from your mouth to his ears. uNkulunkulu uyalalela umkhuleko. Njoba umama ashilo ukuthi ake siyophuzane amanzi siyabuya njengamanje.
Sibuyile mlaleli ekhaya, ngiyathemba ukuthi nesitofu sakho nje sehlisile nje kancane, akushise kakhulu namhlanje. Indaba ayikakavuthi. Uvutho ondaba lo nizoluzwa kahle mase sesitheklisha itopic. Oka namhlanje nje sithe chu ngeSixhosa, sifuna ukuthatha umlaleli from la sigcine khona.
Yes.
So that uma lendiza isuka this year,
Yes.
they must know what we're taking off. It's now, no stop.
No stop.
Yeah, no stop. Siyoze sivinjwe uDecember impela nje. December ama holiday kaDecember yiwazo azosivimba. Kodwa nje sizoloko nje sihamba nje impela. Yes, now benguJuly ne. Hayi man, uthe makushaya uAugust engahloma la e-studio. Engahloma la e-studio ngimbokodo.
Uphethe ama-bulldozer.
Ngiphethe ama-bulldozer. Hayi. Ngiphethe ama-bulldozer. I-topic yethu yokuqala.
Yes.
Yayikhuluma ngomuntu olimele. Simpholisa umama, especially umama. Sasibuka bomama kakhulu ngoba bekuyinyanga yabomama. Sase siyabuka ukuthi eminye imizi uma ngabe umama elimele, kulimele the whole house. Kulimele the whole family. Kanti uma kulimele ubaba, it's an opposite. Ngoba umama yena uzobe emile, kuba lula ukuthi umama sukumisa ubaba. Yabona? But makungawa umama, alimala umama, awe ubaba uba confused. Ngoba manje ubaba sekane responsibility ukuthi nabantwana ubasukumisa kanjani. Before nje umama ufuneka aqale ngabantwana ukuthi how do I lift up these children from kule situation umama wabo akuyo. Hey, wakhuluma uLady Bishop uMasilela ngokuphola komuntu wesifazane. Yeah, uyazi wajula. Uma ningaya ku YouTube, niye ku YouTube kwi-page yaka Jupiter Imo Zion Music. Nizoyithola lawo ma video lawo alabo mama. Leyo show yethu eyaka August. Ngithi manje niyeni ku YouTube nizobona ukuthi bengikhuluma ngani. Manje lana sathi uma sibuka umama olimele kwase kuya right now kuyavuka kimi ukuthi ngalesikhathi inkosikazi le eyayophe for 12 years uma izothola ukupholiswa.
Yes.
That was the bleeding eyayibonakala physical lebeka nayo. Kodwa kwelika moya uma ngimbuka lo wesifazane wayebleeda nasenhlizweni ngoba cabanga phela ukuthi uma ngabe ugula ungalitholi usizo, what suffers most
Yeah.
in your organs? It's the heart. Yes, the heart. So this woman was not only bleeding, she was also wounded in her heart. Yes. But one ge into eyamphilisa uJesu azange ambeka izandla lo mfazi lonkosikazi omobo. Azange ambeka izandla. Kodwa ngenxa yokuthi yena, she's the one that did the touch. Ngenxa yokholo lwakhe. Ebuka i-crowd. Ebuka bemphusha. Ekweni kwakhe wathi uma nje ngingathinta umphetho wengubo yakhe. uJesu wayeseke emnikeza iassurance yokuthi ngokholo lwakho sowusindile. Yeah. Engathi ngaba imoto yethu kancane le ngathi sisazoyithula imoto yethu eya this year. Yeah, sisazoyithula but engathi namhlanje ngingathi mina wena olimele bambe emphethweni. Yeah, bambe emphethweni kaJesu kulapho uzothola khona ukholo lwakho luzokusindisa. Sadlula kuleyo topic leyo sase singena kwi topic ethi vuma ukuhlushwa.
Uthi mama
Vuma ukuhlushwa. Yes. Ngoba ngesinye isikhathi Pastor Mbatha uma sibona sihlushwa sesicabanga ukuthi sihlushwa uNkulunkulu.
Yeah.
Kanti uNkulunkulu uyasifaka kulama test ukuthi asihlushwe so that uNkulunkulu azo observe wena ukuthi ekuhlushweni kwakho, where is your trust?
Yeah.
Where is your trust?
Inhle kakhulu wena Pastor Tundi because uNkulunkulu nayo le tendency yokuphakamisa uswazi la.
Yes.
Alifani iswazi la kaNkulunkulu
Exactly. Yes. La kaNkulunkulu linothando.
Yes. Lifuna abantu bathole restoration.
Yes. Yes, exactly.
Powerful.
Yes. So sayibuka ke le topic yokuhlushwa, we went as far as looking ama psychological effects akhoswa yilokuhlushwa ukuthi omunye umuntu ugcina efola into depression. Yeah. Yabona, if you can't, then everything is too much for you. Too much for you. You can't handle anything anymore. You end up, cracking. So mau diagnose you akuzothiwa unani une depression. Ngizophinda futhi unyaka usaqala ngizothi uyadluleka ku depression.
Yes.
Ngibuya khona mina ufakazi ukuthi uyadlula with depression. It's not a landing zone for you. It's for you to land there. So that uNkulunkulu azoqalela phansi futhi akukhuphule. And then when you are stronger, then you are able now to lift other people up. So uyadluleka ku depression. Sadlula ke senza kwenye ke itopic nalena I think sathatha some few weeks sihleli kule topic eye betrayal.
Yebo.
Do you still remember?
Betrayal.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ubani ukhumbulayo ukuthi sasikhuluma ngani ku betrayal?
Yeah, no.
Ubani ukhumbulayo?
Kuningi phosi sayidonsa.
Phela ngisho ukukodwa isikolo siyangena.
But one of the problem sayikhuluma kakhulu ukuthi ngena ubetraywa abantu abaseduze.
Thank you.
Those people that are next to you.
Yes.
They normally betray you.
Yeah. Ku betrayal, right, you are quite right, Pastor Chris. Sathi you must remember ukuthi betrayal, you're not going to be betrayed by your enemy. It's not your enemy. Lo wazi ukuthi awumphiwa ngithi kunalabantu abathi asibaphiwanga. And then now you already feel it ukuthi I'm this person ngathi akangizwisisi. Yabona? That person will never betray you. Ngoba straight and forward ukuthi you know what? I don't like you. Yabona? Noma ngashongo in words, but the actions are telling you ukuthi yabona this person doesn't like me. Yabona? Angeke azakubetray lo muntu loyo. But lo ulavi davi
relationship
hayibo
uyiproblem
problem. I-problem enkulu. Yeah. Yeah. Ubade, my friend, sweetheart, no sweetheart. Yeah, I can't live without you.
Yeah.
Uzokubetray. Yeah, sikho ke lapha ngithi siyadlula nje sithi. Yabona?
It's just that sikwenza sure ukuthi
bahamba nathi
line moving forward. For abalala abasha sinabo bayangena abaqala kubamela lo show.
Yes, so that bazo understand. Yes,
buyaphi ngale ndaba le, especially
betrayal. Betrayal. I hope olalele for the first time. You are going to tell us wena esakho story se betrayal. Uma ufuna ukuthi siphinde siyitackle futhi the topic, we are there for you. Sase siyamtshela umlaleli ekhaya ukuthi they must be careful. Betrayal, it's not a calculated behavior. Yes. Which means it's not impulsive.
Yeah.
In other words, akithi into impulsive umuntu ukuthi you will act not being aware that you're hurting the person. Yes. Or actually I'm making a mistake, sorry. My apologies. It is a calculated behavior. Because when you are about to betray a person, yes, we are planning. We are planning umuntu. Siku business together.
Ukuthi uzongijika.
Yeah, uthi hayi lo ngizomshalo, lo ngathi akabhekanga lo. Yabona? Kunale mali lezongena la mina I'm going to open a small account here on the side. Makungena le mali before ingena ngapha ngiyayitsunya mina ngifaka ngapha kule yami account.
Yabona? Ngiyakhumbula Pastor Thondo ukuthi sayisa nasemasontweni.
Exactly.
Ngoba si spiritual show siyafaka kakhulu betrayal inside the house.
Yes, inside the house of God.
Ujikelo umzalwane okhonza naye. Ujikelo umfundisi omthembile. Iba controversial but it is happening. Esontweni kuyajikelwana.
Exactly. Yes, saya as far as esontweni emlaleli ekhaya sahamba sayobuka ukuthi betrayal lena yenzakala kanjani emasontweni ezu Pastor Chris mention ukuthi nathi siyabazalwana si betray abafundisi yabona ube isigebengu uyasebenza maru expect ukuthi wena wenzelwe everything uma kuzohanja wena njalo ubhadali uhlala ubi story yabona betrayal naleyo because you know very well
ukuthi value kumele uyi-add.
Exactly, kune value kumele ukuthi uyi-add. You can't be receiving all the time when I'm handouts. There are people who are really needy that should be catered for emasontweni. Right. So Sati, it's not impulsive. Ukuthi into nga act manje, yabona? Ukuthi vumbu sengidecide ngihleli nani la studio sengidecide to betray. It will never happen like that. It's a planned thing, yes. Calculated. In other words, it's a calculated movement because when you calculate, you look at, okay, if I do this, we're not talking about addition and subtraction here, but you look at the situation with, okay, if I do this to Chris, will Pastor Mbata pick it up or not? If I see to Pastor Mbata will never pick up what I want to do to you, then saying Kalanya is executor plan yami yabona ukuthi isebenze ke manje. Sangena kwenye futhi topic.
Yes.
Ayilena ngifuna ukuthi ngizoyibiza nje bese masiqeda sinikene umlaleli ingoma nje ekhaya. Yabona? Uthando.
Love.
Yeah.
And we in the month of love.
Yeah. Angithi sikulo nyanga leyo manje eyothando.
Ifika kahle.
Ifika kahle impela ke lena ngoba sizokwazi nokuthi yona ke sithi unpack kancane. Yabona? Ake siyeni engomeni sike sinike umlaleli ilona lena siyathanda ukuthi nike niduduzeke nje nangomculo yabona bathi ukuhlabelela kuyamthokozisa odabukileyo ukuthi mangabe kulolo sine lolu wena hayi udabukile impela hayi sicela ukupholisa ngale ngoma lesi esizozidlala for you. We're gonna play 2 songs nje ukunipha nje sinipha umculo sithe chu namhlanje sibuyile mlaleli siyabonga kakhulu besilalele umculo othokozisayo umculo opholisa inhliziyo. Siyaqhubeka ke ne-recap yethu yaka 2025 wenzela ukuthi uma sizoqala ngo-2026 we know ukuthi we have taken you through. If usilalela okokuqala uyaqala ngqa ukulalela lehlelo lolu Engaging Life, then you will have a clear picture of what is this show really about. Siyaqhubeka abafundisi bami, asiqhubekeni. I-topic ke enye esayitheklisha yothando.
Love.
Yes.
Uthando.
Yes. Uthando. Ake ningeneni nikhumbuze umlaleli ekhaya ukuthi sakhuluma sathini ngothando.
Yes, I remember we even quoted in the Chronicles chapter 13, the first one, uthando lumene.
Corinthians, yes.
Uthando lumene, uthando alusifunelo okwani. Sahlala kakhulu ukuthi masithi uthanda alusifunelo okwani. Uthanda nanoma samelanga uthande ngoba bathi ungangeni lapho ngoba kunothando uzongena sohlalile kakhulu othandweni ngoba uthando kusuke kuyinto uyizwa ngaphakathi abangemizwa. Yes, definitely. Right impela ngoba incwadi le yabaseKorinte ibizwa ngokuthi it's a book of love.
Yeah. It's one of those Chronicles right akhuluma ngothando. Love conquers all.
Yes, definitely. Bese mali zochaza okaNkulunkulu uthando kuthiwe uNkulunkulu yena ushaya ngeagape love.
Agape love.
Yeah. Olwakhe uthando yilolo lubanzi olukhulu. Yes, but sabe siyabuka futhi ukuthi as much as we know ukuthi uNkulunkulu wasithanda kangaka yena waze wanikela ngendodana yakhe ngoba wayethande thina ukuze enze lokho. Kodwa thina siyahluleka uthatha lo thando lolu siphinde silibuyisele futhi kamuva. Ngoba uma ubuka into eyenza ukuthi ama-couple amaningi ahlukane is because oyi-one usuke sekefila ukuthi akalizwa lo thando. Yeah, akalizwa futhi akaliboni. Yabona kulo muntu bekamnike uthando ungene ngoba emnika uthando akithi. And then kunale mistake futhi yenziwa abantu besifazane ukuthi umuntu makabona umuntu wesilisa onemali amenzele mhlambe whatever yabona ithi ngikhulume ngalabo abagqoka ama-weave angithi mina ngiqo yabona ngisha nge-natural hair labo abagqoka ama-weave athi eqala ukuzwana umuntu uqhamuka sekane ukunikeza imali zama-weave yabona amcheck nokuthi le nhlobo ethanda amazipho amnike yabona amnikeza kusho ukuthi uyamsponsora ngamanye amagama. And then this woman uzoyi-interpreter as ini uthando noma utshela amachomakhe yabona mina yena uSiphamandla hayi I don't care who says what. uSiphamandla mina uyangithanda. uSiphamandla unika i-girlfriend allowance. Uthando ke lolokho ngithi olibiza ngokuthi yini uthando.
It's buying love.
Yes, buying love in other words. Yes, buying love. It's a very big mistake eyenzwa abantu ukuthi umuntu asebenzise lama resource anawo yabona sebenzisa ama resource lawa nawo for ukuthi akhiphe this woman yabona. And then uma bese masekhamba isikhathi uSiphamandla makangasenayo imali yokumaintainer lezi zinto zakhe uthokozile usehamba etshela abantu ukuthi hayi akasangithandi yabona akasangithandi usho ukuthi wenzani wenze lomunye manje akasenzeli mina.
Okay.
Yabo only to find that the poor Sipamandla wayethole leyo lotho wayethole ngaleso sikhathi wa afford ukuthi maintain untombazane. Yabona? And then uSiphamandla sekunzima manje ukuthi abuye kuntombazane ukuthi azothi yazi kahle kahle mina angikho rich mina kahle kahle. Yabona? Yeah, okwamanje imali ingiphelele. But look what the girl is doing. The opposite. Because yena ubefila loved. So makungasena mali kusho ukuthi ke uma ubhekile lo thando lolo lusazoba khona. Alokho.
It's very difficult on Pastor Klundi because we are very spiritual in this show. And then I want you to send you back to the book of Genesis because what's happening there's a certain things uNkulunkulu ayenzayo. And when he says a man shall love,
yes,
and then umuntu wesimame must care. Yabo. So umama akafuna ukuthanda njengendoda uzoba nenkinga. Yabo. Umsebenzi wendoda ukuthanda when you submit to that.
I was coming to say that. Yes.
So the principle of love is embedded with this kind of rules between male and female.
Yes.
I want you to ngene kuleyo ke manje.
Yeah.
Because it's very interesting.
Yes. Now, umehluko uyazi ukuthi uba kuphi njoba ngisho mina ukuthi some women they think ukuthi umuntu maka afforda the material things. And then uyamthanda. Yabo?
Yes.
And then kusinikani manje? Kusinikeza i-assignment noma i-homework yokuthi sibuyeleni ke manje siyobuka ke back ukuthi kahle kahle uthando luyini between abantu the opposite sex.
Okay.
Because luhlukana kaningi ngithi uthando. Unalolo lu romantic, unalolo le friendship, unaleli asithi nje sisonta sonke nje bara uza ukuthi hey lo muntu lo yawudla umphefumulo wami. Uyamthanda. Yabo usukumthanda lo muntu loyo but ngalo thando lolani elobuzalwane. Yabo baze benza ijoke ukuthi noma manehagana neyabazalwane nithintana nje la ngamahlombe bese kube khona le gap kube khona le gap enkulu la but nendawo it's a Peter can demonstrate it. But I'm sure umlaleli ekhaya une picture ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani yabona so ukuthi uhagana kwalabantu laba abathandanayo babazalwane yeah nishayina so ngamahlombe bese omunye uphusha shonele kube khona igap enkulu la yabona in between nina lo yakuthi ningasondelani. Oh yes lunjalo bese kube khona ngithe khona uthando lu romantic angithi lolu labantu opposite sex kube khona uthando lolu nalolu olu familial means I take you as my family because I love you. Zoyenza nje example ngomngani wami uSara yabona because we've been friends from sesebancane. Her family knows me. Yes. My family knows her. Her kids knows ukuthi if there's something wrong, the first person is to call me. My kids as well. First person to call if there's a problem, it's gonna be her. So and now and then we're telling each other what I love you. I love you, my friend. Sometimes it's as pretty so that is familial love leyo. Okay. Yes. Yokuthi anihlobananga. But the way nithandana ngakhona you like your siblings like nikhula together because you know ukuthi ngalesikhathi wayele ngamafinyela wawumthipha phakathi kwabantu yabona ukuthi or before nohlala nabantu ngoba uyamazi ukuthi uhlushwa ama sinus angithi uhlala namafinyela usheshe uthi awublow your nose qala ngoba siya phakathi kwabantu yabo so that ingazokutshela nami kube khona le weakness yami ayaziyo yabo kuna le weakness yami ayaziyo so which means you know each other's weaknesses uma seni kuleyo that kind of a relationship. Okay. Bese kube this type of love kuthiwa platonic love. It's a strong bond now between two people that are at a distance. For instance, we are at a distance, we are not together, but you are my brother. Let's say, so it's example, sikwinkonzo ibandla elilodwa, but when uhlala eMpumalanga noma uhlala eSwazini. But we have so much connection in such a way that we communicate every day bese kuze kuthi khona mase sibonana sesimitana physically kube a different story ukuthi yabona mina njengomngane wami nje babeke bangakwazi ukusihlukanisa yabona. So mina bebengibiza ukuthi yilo nogqoka ama specs sometimes because besiphambanisa amagama elami balibize lakhe yabona because they couldn't separate the two of us. Yes, so ngifuna siqale singeneni la kwi romantic love. I think iyo le obufuna ukuthi sikhulume ngayo akithi ya two people.
Yes.
Yeah, right. Your concern was that abantu besifazane bayakhohlwa ukuthi according to the Bible umuntu wesilisa uye okumele ukuthi anikeze umuntu wesifazane ini uthando, bese umuntu wesifazane enzeni yena athobe yabo submit kulo thando lolu alinikwayo. Now the mistake that most women do is because they have difficulty in identifying this love, the true love. Yeah, what?
So they mix it with
material things. This is where now they get it wrong. Because the minute you born with the genuine love, uzomsubmitela ebe engena lutho. Because you do not love the person because of what they have.
You love them because of who they are. Angazi ke noma ngikuphendulile. Perfect.
With concern yakho.
Iphendulekile Pastor Mfundo.
Thank you.
Yinhle kakhulu. Sikhulumile ngothando.
Yes.
Sisemanthini yothando.
Sikwinyanga yothando.
Sithandane.
Hey.
Sidakekeleni kodwa ke umbhali wencwadi uKhoki God uthi in love, everybody must start from the beginning. And the beginning should be care. You cannot love what you don't care.
Wow.
You must care, then you can love.
You can love.
Yes.
Wow. What a powerful statement. Mlaleli ekhaya sizothi kule nyanga njengoba kuyinyanga vele inyanga yothando.
Yes.
Ayike lolu kalikhetha ngithi yilo thando lolu lungakhethi olungathi Valentine's is only specifically for abantu abaku relationship.
No.
It's not about that. Yeah. But I think it's a month where you show the care, even if you know ukuthi kunezinto ezikwatisayo, but you tell yourself at the back of your, oh, by the way, it's a month of love.
Yes.
Let me give love to this person.
Yeah.
Because maybe ungihlupha kanje ngoba wenzani usike attention yami.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, ngiyayithanda yona Pastor Mfundo. Abalele labazi ukuthi sike vele sisemandini of love. If uthanda Pastor Mfundo, ungamthumela lawo nje message ukuthi Pastor Mfundo ngiyakuthanda.
Amen.
Thanda uPastor Mbatha, Pastor Mbatha.
Amen.
Kulumandile ngithi ngiyabonga, ngiyakuthanda.
Amen.
Ngathi khona nje message engenile.
Okay, ake sibukeni message. Ake sishoko kutheka abantu.
Ikhona bona esingenile phamsiye nasemarket. Ifuneka ngalendlela sanibonani kwa Sons of Azania uneliswa Nkosi from True Worshippers of God at KwaNdebele. Nginani ngimamele futhi ngiyazithanda izingoma enizidlalayo. Siyabonga neliswa waka Dlamini lapho khona ezweni laKwaNdebele. Continue engaging with us. Like Sons of Azania, engaging live where love matters. Our WhatsApp line, you can text or even call. Go 071 166 2586 071 166 2586. You can even stream live with Australia.com with www.soundsofazania.co.za. Oh, lucky for you, you can even catch us live on TikTok.
Yeah, it's live on TikTok.
Yeah, just like and follow. Just like and follow. Just like and follow. Bese na uzukhona ukuphuma nathi mlaleli nomthandi we-engaging live. Ake sophuzeni amanzi.
Sanibonani, welcome back. ku-Sounds of Azania kulo hlelo i-Engaging Life. Please engage with us kwinamba yethu yase-studio ethi 071 166 2586, or you can stream with www.soundsofazania.co.za. You can send us the message, send us dedication. If you want us to play a certain song from 8:30, you can do that. We will gladly senze kanjalo. Siyagoqa manje kule topic eyothando, Pastor Chris and Pastor Mbatha. Sabuka ke lezo nhlobo lezo zothando. Masiqeda lapho sabuka ukuthi what is the role of the church when it comes to uthando. Ingabe siyalipractice na as abazalwane or as a church? Do we love the congregation the way we are supposed to, or the way we are loved, Tina, by God?
Yeah, no, Pastor Kondo, it's a very nice ubuza kahle, because esontweni abantu bele ba understand kahle indaba yesonto. Isimilo usifunde ekhaya. Yabo ukuhlonipha kahle kahle kumele ukufunde ekhaya. Yabo manje because of single parenting around la siphila khona iyashoda. Then sifike ke esontweni ipulpit mele lifundise ngothando. Yabo spend more time teaching about love and God's love. Then abazalwane bazokwazi ukuthi yini ukuthanda, yini ukuthandana. Ingabi lesigcine sekujolwana emasontweni, because ayifundiswa kahle epulpit indaba yothando. Yabona sibe nama case abantu esontweni bathandana bashadile abe business because it was not properly trained. So a pulpit must teach love in God's way. So yiyo lento le Pastor Khulu, but ngivulana nawe kakhulu.
Yes. So which means the role of the church is actually more, they've got more work actually.
They have to do more.
Because remember, unabanye, as you are saying, children were coming from a single parent household, for instance. A single parent that also never received any love. So ke umsebenzi ke manje wesonto, ne, or a congregation ukuthi you meet now, or rather close the gap ke manje kulo mntwana lo. Yabo kulo mntwana lo ozalwa ulo mama lo naye, umama lo ongalazi uthando. Yabo unabantu nje zokutshela ukuthi yazi mina uthando lika mama angilazi. Yabo angilazi uthando lika mama, nokuthi umama ake angihage. Yabo nokuthi umama ake angitshele ukuthi I care about you mntanami, angiwazi lawo magama. And then it's not going to be easier for that person. Yes, you can't impart something that you've never that you've never been involved in, or that you've never experienced. You cannot pass it on, because uthando, it needs to be something like, like passing a baton, for instance. Ma umzali unika abantwana bakho uthando, ubafundisa uthando futhi. So that noma befika ke esontweni Pastor Chris bangabe sebelidemand uyabona ukuthi ngazathi vele abantu abangalazi, njengoba usho ukuthi umsebenzi wesonto akuwona ukufundisa abantu kahle kahle uthando. I mean, yes, funeka beze nale basic yothando, yes, abayithole emakhaya. However, again sithini futhi yabona siba controversial kancane sithi uma ngabe kuyenzeka ukuthi nangu lo muntu lona azange alithola uthando, that is the role of the church ke manje, to step in, embrace this poor child, or embrace this poor woman. If it's a woman, maybe that is over age. Uyaqala uyanactela oh lento ishoyo uyaqala uyaqoma abafundisi labafundisa abanamakhosikazi wabo. You know why? Attention seeker lo muntu lo ufuna uthando, manje uzulufuna nasendaweni ezirong. Yabona? So siye sabuka lokho ukuthi I role of the church. And then another thing that the church needs to know, or rather to do, of which is scarce. I think it's only few people that are doing it.
Yes.
Whereby, as a church, nenza show ukuthi khona lapha something like a soup kitchen. So that after church, kuna labantu laba bazoza bezodressa kunalokutafula elimile lapha nama rolls, or rather bread and soup, or whatever is going to be given to them, sandwiches or whatever. Because sizosonta together, ne? ube mnandi. But there's a person ozothi uma ephuma esontweni makaye endlini akazi ukuthi uzofika endlini.
Yeah.
Has the church ever closed that gap?
Yeah, it's ukuthi dining together.
Thank you, dining together. Yabo? Dining together nenzela ukuthi nalo vele obekazi ukuthi akana lutho ekhaya. We used to do it. Kune imibandla nje elobunye ubishop nje kangemsiza yabo. Ngeke ngithi kangisonta khona.
Ngangisiza lo bishop.
Yes, I introduced that. Yeah. Reason being what I was looking at in number ukuthi no basesebancane. But ngizama ukubonisana ukuthi if we can start it, yabo, which means the more ibandla liloko likhula ayingayekwa kodwa ngithi bese kuyaqhutshekwa yabo. Yeah, sometimes nje benginokuthi ngibonde nje ngishaya abo bayibiza le yabona le rice le yamakula lena shaye yona ngishaya ibriani yabona ibriani emnandi ngoba uyaxova nje uhlanganisa kodwa believe you me ngithi nabantwana abasebehleli lapha benabile phansi babiza bamema nabanye sasesijoyinwa abantwana esingabazi abazali babo yabo batshelwe yilaba ngithi ukuthi hey thina siyadla lapha yana after church. And you would see ukuthi labantwana as they are busy indulging in the food, it's the first and the last meal.
Yeah.
So mina I'm pleading with the church this year ukuthi can we make a difference by showing love to those people who are needy.
Yes.
Some people you cannot identify them because they are neat, well dressed, neat. But you can only catch them if you can come and bring something. That's when you realize how many people are hungry out there.
Yeah.
Yes. Siyaqhubeka. Sase siyabuka ke kuyo le topic yothando sabuka ukuthi what is the psychological impact for a person that longs for love.
Oh,
Yabo? La sesikhuluma ngomuntu okuthiwa obsessed. Yabo? Ogcina abe stalker.
well,
Yabo? Why? Because this person longs for love.
so it has a negative impact.
Exactly.
Even because once you are like that,
Yes.
you're becoming a very, very dangerous person
Yes.
amongst yourself.
Amongst yes, to yourself,
to yourself
and to other people
next to you.
Yes.
So how do you assist such a mzalwane or a person who thinks he loves but is overdoing it?
Overdoing it.
Obsessed. That's the perfect word to say. He's very obsessed. How do you also angiziboni ukuthi you're obsessed me? Ngibona ukuthi lento ngiyayithanda and ngizoyilandelela ize ngiyithole. How do you assist such a person?
All right. I will speak from experience. I think it was, I can't remember which organization that I was in, but that was before I went into this profession in Guyone. So it happened because there I was working with a counselor, so there was this lady. This lady came because she had a problem. She needed help. I have a problem. I love men. In such a way, even if the man is married, I get so obsessed. Yeah. Even if you told me, listen, this thing here too, it's not serious. Mina, I'm married to me. But she will make it a point ukuthi ugcina sekaziwa ukuthi ukhona uzothrow ama tantrums, hitting imoto, windscreen yemoto aphule enzeni yabona. Let me tell you how do you handle that person. That person needs a one-on-one session. You cannot as a group sit with that person and try to correct that person. But on one-to-one, you are able to make sense or to bring her back to her senses. Because remember, lo muntu makenza lento lena, ama emotions wakhe are all over the place. Yaba? Emotion, feeling yakhe mayithi akube nje ulalela yona. Wenza manje aka check coast ukuthi kunobani or kwenzakalani. However, there is a way of helping such a person. Yeah, it's just a taxi platform la ukuthi nginga unpacker. It's gonna take a very long time. Ngoba isikhathi sethu siyahamba ithi sibuke isikhathi lana. Isikhathi sethu sithi 29 minutes. Shooting selelwe iminutes kahle kahle. It's 29 minutes past 8. Sesiyagoqa ke Pastor Chris now Pastor Mbata. This was not actually the last topic. I just realized now that I missed one that we closed with. It was Thanksgiving prior to this one. We did the boundaries. Boundaries. How do you set boundaries? And why are they important? If you remember very well. So this topic, this person obsessed. It boundaries comes in there. Because you really need to, when as a man that involved yourself with this person, or obsessed with, you need to set boundaries. Be firm and set boundaries. Yes. And then we also looked that God also established some boundaries.
Yes.
I said we creation when the earth with no form, it was dark. Wasetha ama boundaries ukuthi ngeke kulungela sihlele bomnyameni. There must be light, there must be night. Those were the boundaries that were set by God. Before ngivalelisa ke mlaleli sizohlangana kwiviki elilandelayo ne topic esizoza nayo ozobuya wena ulalela mema nabanye udlulise i-link leyo kwi Sounds of Azania basilalele. Before ngihamba ngizothi kulonyaka lona whatever we touch this year it will prosper.
Yes.
Ngegama lika Jesu.
Igama kaJesu.
Yeah, we declare, yes. Decree and declare that whatever we touch this year it will prosper. Which means asimfuna umuntu kulonyaka lo uzoteteme lokho ekhala ngiyahlupheka. We are cancelling lelo gama ngegama lika Jesu. With whatever we touch this year. It's not our portion.
Yeah.
It's not your portion.
Yeah.
It's not your portion. But whatever we touch, it will prosper.
Successful.
So siyabona ke kuvikelizayo mlaleli nisaleni kahle.
Ay inhlupheko asethu Tina sizokhuluma prosperity. Ay mama clock it, I give it to you again. Clock it. You know, you can still engage with us, with Sons of Azania. Catch us again nabu TikTok, YouTube, Engaging Life. Sisala. Lady Hora Lingela Command Lady, you still with us like Engaging Life. WhatsApp line here to 071 166 2586. Lalela. Akamfundela umlayezo oqala phambi kokuthi siqhubeke uvela ku one of our co-workers ubrother Mthetheleli Mbonane ongena every Monday to Friday from 3 until 6 uthi wow powerful show baholi bami siyabonga babu Mbonane is also an artist une album yakhe. Yes leli hora langa lesikhathi sibiza ukuthi i-dedication hour.
Yeah. So what's happening here? Ukuthi uzosho wena ingoma oyithandayo. Yabo bese ke uPastor Mbatha akudlalele yona.
Esengokudlalela yona.
Yeah, so
Ambias Changani
whether make sure
Chivenda nayo because Amba ya sutu retaiza libati manje retaiza
I don't know.
Pastor Chris anisizeni. Simfaka ama-class. Sezingenile ezimbalwa ngizoyifaka nje zibe mbili ngokulandelana kwazo. Eyokuqala izobe ila ku Pastor Sipho Ngwenya makazothi igazi lemihlatshelo. Bese izolandelwa ubrother Khotso Mahalima makazothi he lifted me up. Thumelani umqhafazo wenu.
Yeah.
We're Engaging Life la ku Sons of Azania. Stream alive www.soundsofazania.co.za. WhatsApp line 071 166 2586. Usahleli nosina Pastor N Qundu, no Pastor C Bamazo, Pastor Chris Hadebe, no Pastor Musa Mbatha kulelo hlelo lakho Engaging Life where life
matters. Yeah, so awathumele ngoba mina nginengoma eziningi engifuna ukuthi uzidlale before hour le 30 minutes iphela. So if abathumele ngesikhathi bazoluza.
Yeah, ningakhohlwa go to TikTok account yethu, like and follow us. Uzosibona bukhoma ke lapho. Thalaseleni nazi ingoma.
For umlaleli wethu omamele Engaging Life, so that I understand ukuthi kena senzani, what is Engaging Life ngoba kahle kahle njengoba sisho isihlelo lethu it's uplifting spiritual show. Masingena nje masingena u6 PM uzothola lapho ukuthi kena siba nengqoqo nje esiba nayo just to recap the day, yabona, because it's been a long day sibuye emsebenzini. 7 o'clock singena ukuvuthondaba, there will be a certain topic. I don't like to use that topic, Pastor Mbatha, because ihlala besikhohlwe. It's a moving, it's a movement ekhona ezoyenzakala ngo 7 o'clock touching people's life. Then after that from 8 to 9 lapho uzana athole nje ingoma ayithanda ayibhale phansi
ama dedication sibizothi yakho
le ngoma uyayichoose wena uyifake bese Pastor Mbatha o mina ngiyidlale udlale ingoma yakho oyithandayo. It has to be a touching song. We stress these things. We are a talk show, but siyazama ukuthi ke nabazalwane ngoba umculo is life, si accommodate the part of the music side.
Yes. Last words before Spuma, Pastor Chris Namsenzovala.
Well, one of the last words I will say to you, mlaleli wami, omamele Engaging Life, that don't lose the spot. No matter what you're going through, never lose the spot. uNkulunkulu ukufuna la ukhona. Ungahambi ufuna ezinye uyomfuna kwezinye indawo. La ukhona, God is always revealed, not talked about.
God is always revealed, not talked about. Pastor Mbatha nasakavalelisa siyabonga bonke abasilalele naba engage nathi ngimxhafazo. Siyabonga uNkulunkulu anenze kahle anihlenge nemndenini. Iviki nje lisaqhubeka singena na weekend ngoba lahlekele ihlobo sithi dudu sengathi ngafihla kahle. uNkulunkulu akashintshi uNkulunkulu bakhe. Catch us again next week Thursday 6 until 9. Let's have a date. The appointment yethu le. As Pastor Chris normally say,
the Spirit of the Lord always
flows upon the face of the deep. Ndaleni kahle ubusuku bomnandi.